So guys, for the first method, in the bottom right of our taskbar, you want to click on the speaker icon. Now you want to select a sound output. Make sure that your output device is your laptop speakers. Now you want to go back. Make sure that this is not muted and that you have this turned up. See if that works. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in SND-VOL. Click on it. And now once you run this, again, make sure that your speakers are not muted and that you have this turned up. And if you're using an application, make sure that your application volume is also turned up and it's not muted. For the next method, on your laptop keyboard, make sure that you don't have the sound muted. So probably on the function keys, there may be a sound option. Maybe you need to press on FN plus one of your function keys, which will then unmute your sound. For the next method, make sure that the game or the application that you're trying to use has got your headphones selected as the default device. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you run this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find audio. Click on run. Once this comes up, you want to click on yes to run the audio diagnostics. It's now going to start running this. Once you complete all of this, see if that works. For the last method, you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.